Welcome back to the Green Workbench. So if you have an office chair, this is just a short video. If you've got an office chair that keeps sliding down on you, it means that you've lost the gas pressure, and it's super annoying. You constantly find yourself having to sit up, bring the chair back up, and you sit on it and it slowly leaks down and until you're too low. So there's two options. You can buy a new chair, or you can set it at the height you want it. So this won't work if you are in an office where multiple people use the chair and need different heights. But if it's your chair and you just use one height, you can fix it. So I looked online and I found a lot of people just saying to put a pipe clamp on it so that it can't slip down. So I tried that and I sat on it and it slipped down still. It was slower, but it still slipped. Put tape under the clamp to give it something better to hold on to than the slick metal, still slipped. So maybe I'm just fat, I don't know, but one pipe clamp didn't work. So I decided to put two, and if you need two, why not put three? So I put 3 pipe clamps and I tightened them with a drill instead of just by hand. So they are as tight as they can go, so that they won't slip, and I've got 3 of them up against each other. And I've been sitting in it all day and it hasn't slipped at all. So this seems to have fixed the problem. It's not pretty, I know that, but it's a couple bucks instead of a couple $100 for a brand new chair. So there you go. If you got a chair that keeps sliding down on you and you don't want to pay for a new office chair, here is a fix that you can do for a couple bucks. Just make sure that they're tight, and you definitely need more than one, unless you weigh nothing, which I don't. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, click on the notification button, and I'll see you next time on the Green Workbench.